base, digitizing what matters. Today we are at Nwanedi Dam, which is a very nice view. You can take a look at how big this dam is and how high we currently are. From all the dams that we have visited so far, we've never been to a dam that is this long. See, this dam is located in Venda. I'll tell you more about the specific. Just also check down the link at the bottom so you can see how you can get here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is JUS2Y. The Nwanedi Game Reserve lies west of the northern reaches of the Kruger National Park. It is located about 20 kilometers east of Chipese and 35 kilometers north of Thohoyandou, Limpopo province of South Africa. The park is an area of 11,170 hectares and includes a part of the wooded foothills of the Soutpansberg Range. The twin dams, the Nwanedi Dam and the Rupepe Dam, at the confluence of the Nwanedi River and its main tributary, the Rupepe River, are located in the park. The Rupepe Dam has a height of 39 meters and total capacity of 14,800,000 cubic meters. At the top of the dam viewpoint, those who are not acrophobic are able to dance and enjoy the breathtaking view of the dam and the nature reserve. However, it is unfortunate for our acrophobic friends. When the dams are in full capacity, visitors are able to enjoy a refreshing dam waterfall. The park is well stocked with game and has a number of monkeys and baboons. Apart from game viewing, the reserve also offers hiking, 4x4 trails, bedding and mountain biking, as well as fishing and canoeing on the Rupepe and Nwanedi dams. One of the secrets of the game reserve is their spectacular waterfall known as the Chihobohobo Falls. Its sides cut with natural ledges that allow for incredible jumps into the water below. The park is situated at the foothills of the Venda Mountains and foothills of the Soutpansberg Mountains. The Soutpansberg Mountains, or Thaba ya Muno, which translates to Mountain of Salt. After hiking and viewing the dams, visitors are able to refresh in the pool and have a braai and a picnic at the reserve's park. The park also has 2 sleeper chalets and 4 sleeper chalets for visitors that would love to spend the night. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share with many adventurers out there.